have some cushions under the chairs and kindly arrange those here too. Secretary here. And we check the okay. Since there's no absent, so I guess you all guys want to learn something about topic today. So before we proceed, I want you all to observe my classroom rules from the acronym Enjoy. Kindly read everyone.
Engage actively in all activities. Never interrupt when someone is speaking. Just be respectful and kind. Observe classroom rules and routines. Yell to instructions and be ready to learn.
So you should follow these rules for us to have a good relationship and positive learning today. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everyone. Please watch the video.
Your time is limited, so don't waste it living some. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't let your noise of others' opinions drown out your own results of other people's thinking. And most important, don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition knows. They somehow already know what you truly want.
So, what are your observations based on the video? Observation. Okay, Mr. Morika, what are your observations? Please sit down.
It's something like a motivation about a motivation quotes text or some motivation about continuing your life despite all the struggles that you encounter. And I love Lord and
Okay, thank you, Mr. Morika. So, based on or based on our motivational activity, can you guess what our topic?
Motivating spoken text.
Okay, very good. So, it is level waking up spoken text. Here are learning objectives. So, at the end of the lesson, the students will be able to and to read.
Evaluate effectiveness and reliability of spoken text using appropriate criteria. Describe personal opinions and emotional reactions about the message and delivery of the spoken text using specific examples. And present the short rule for spoken text through a panel discussion of the screen.
So here are the step-by-step process to evaluate spoken text. So in step one, can you read?
Listen without judging individually. Give full attention to the speaker. Avoid forming opinions too early. Focus on understanding the message.
So as a listener, man no dapat dili ta mo judge kanang dayon kanang wala pa na to humano wala pa na to paminaw until the end bitaw dapat dili ta mo kanya. And we should fully give our attention to the speaker for us to understand what is the message all about and avoid forming opinions too early. Hindi ka dayon mo judge. Okay, what if kanang ana nga time is kanang lahi pa yung ipasabot kasi ana na kanang ano ay ana din siya and then wala pa din mo lang human ang iyang speech bitaw. And focus on understanding the message, of course, mo din ang sabto ng kasi message niya. Step 2. Can you read?
Use a checklist or table with categories like content, voice, grammar, number of views, audience, connection.
So, as a audience, dapat kanang checklist, content, if iyang topic ba is relevant ba karon nga kuan, and then ang voice is clear ra ba, madungog ra ba, dili ba hinay ra, even mag-use ka og microphones kay na may usahay ka hinay or mababaw. So, dapat clear ang iyang voice, madungog ra ang grammar ba well structure ba ang iyang pagkas sa grammar, non-verbal cues, if the speaker uses a natarong kami paggamit ng iyang expressions, like nabi ka ng mga emotions na siguro ba sa iyang storya, and then mga gestures, like kanangani, mas nasagdan na to kung ang history niya kung may mga manangana, di ba? And the audience connection, of course, as a speaker, you have to kuhaan nga natay connections atong audience. Even though daghan kayo sila ni usara pa dapat naa kay connections kay if you have connections kay mas pamito ka nagkasinabot mo tanan. Masabtan na ba?
Yes.
The step 3.
Analyze the structure. Intro. The speaker clearly introduce the topic. Body. Are points logically sequenced? Conclusion. Is there a summary or call to action?
So, of course, in a speech, naman na intro, body, call to action. Introduction is nakuha ba niya karong ang iyang topic, karong ba niya discuss sa body, karong nabi ka ng supporting details, karong ba niya masabot sa mga audience, ang iyang message, and of course, the conclusion, ang summary, di ba? If mag-one speech. Next is the last one.
Examine the delivery. Is the voice loud and clear? Are the intonation and process effective? Are there any fillers? Example,
So, as a speaker, dapat usog ang imong tingog o clear siya para dali siya masabtan sa mga audience. Next is the intonation and process effective. Intonation, nagamit pa niya pa ng, di ba, o na yung mga question is more raise ang iyang voice. Gamay, hindi ka lang pinasok ko. Then, by process, hindi na ba ka ng paspas ang iyang pagstorya. Nag-response na siya. Are there any fillers? Sige, Step 5.
check for
Can you read everyone?
clarity and accuracy. Did the speaker avoid vague terms? Were complex ideas explained clearly?
So, as the speaker, you need to deliver your message clearly and well explained. Next.
Good language use. Look for grammar errors, paraphrasing, or word misuse. Check for repetition or relevancy.
So, kung kita kanang audience is makabantay man jud ta nga may namali o istorya ang kuano ang speaker na kay mabantayan. So, kung kita magpanik bitaw ang speaker bitaw kay mabalik-balik niya ang istorya niya ang imagingon kay kanang kung ano gusto ng mga kasi balik yung istorya ang utang. Next, step 7.
Evaluate engagement and connection. Is the speaker maintain eye contact? Were visual aids used effectively if any? Did the speaker react to audience cues?
So, of course, as a speaker, you need to maintain eye contact. So, di ba kung may eye contact is ka ng mura mo ka interact, mura may connection ninyo between you, the speaker, and the audience. And for visual aids, use effectively kung gamit ka ganyan ang speaker o visual aids, hindi ra ba ka na siya matusuri ra, dapat din gamit na niya, gamit na niya, hindi kay tanawon lang. And the speaker will ask the audience views. So, if the speaker, if the audience has mga reactions or questions about the topic, so you as the speaker, you need to react also and answer those questions. Last,
Give constructive feedback. Use the glow and grow method. Glow what the speaker did well. Grow what can be improved and how.
so as a audience, naman tayo mga feedback sa speaker. So we use the glow for what the speaker did well. So ano yung feedback ka, mga positive na feedbacks on how well he managed his or her kanang speech as a speaker. And then grow what can be improved and how. So kanang feedback ka if nakabay need na i-improve sa iyong speeches or sa iyong mga visual aids or sa iyong mga gestures na kanang wala mo na ganahan ibitaw. So ang kanang feedbacks. So is it sabotable?
Sabotable.
So now last we'll go to a more hands-on activity. So you will watch a video clip again, a 3-minute full video clip, and you just have to watch and listen carefully because you will be grouped into pairs round two. And then one of kanang sa pair nimo kanang nako isuwat ali kabilaan ninyo gamoy kanang suwat sa kanang pang-range bitaw. So ang kuan ninyo ani is 3 to 1. Yung 3 is kanang kuan siya kanang yes. Perfect yung siya ang kanang iyang speech. 2 if kanang naapay need na improve, and then 1 if kanang wala jud mo dili mo ganahan bitaw. Is that clear ba?
Yes.
Okay. Pag-pairs ako. Alay ka lang.
My fair.
Ayun, ano ka ba? Si Alin? Ha?
Hindi na sala mo.
Ay, bumulay sa mura. Yay!
Kasuluan na si Alin niya.
Are you ready?
Whiteboard na, okay na. Jilin, suwati din, be. Kinakuha ko na din. Jilin.
Please watch the video and listen
Everybody say, this is going to be very tough. I'm very interested in that tough question. And pick up the same how can we do it in a different way? Because nothing is easy. Nothing is free. If you want to be successful, you have to think different. You have to do different. You have to pay the price. I'll leave up like 18 years for today's night. Yeah, we are lucky. But we work much harder than most of the people. We never sleep well and sound in the evening. I traveled last year 867 hours a year in a floodplain. In a plane. I'm working hard. My team works very hard. 18 years we worked like a normal company. 70 years. Day and night. Nothing is free. Nothing is easy. If everybody say this is going to be very tough, I'm very interested in that tough question. I pick up and say, how can we do it in a different way? Because nothing is easy. Nothing is free. If you want to be successful, you have to think different. You have to do different.
We're going to rate 3, 2, 1. One more. Yes, one more. One there.
You have to pay the price. I'll give up my 18 years.
Clarity of speech, tone, and tone.
I-total after. Ma'am? I-total? I-total tanan? Okay?
Royal. Tanawa na ko. May dakuan ni no? May dakuan ni. Ilan ni? Iko na pa. Yab. Ganaan ko nga ni mag
Are you done?
Not yet, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
clarity of speech. Clarity of speech.
How about the others? Right now.
Wait, ma'am. You can just
Okay. Now that you've completed your assignment, now let's dive deeper into your observation. So I will be asking, already? So what was the message all about?
Work. The hard work.
Miss Lilian?
The short video was all about motivating or saying encouraging words to others or persuading others to never give up and continue to try hard and achieve. Like it is said in the video that don't give up even if you are facing challenges or obstacles right now because there will be light at the end of the tunnel.
Okay, thank you, Miss Amores. So, how did the speaker deliver his speech affect the impact of the message? Mr. Monica,
What is your question again, ma'am?
how did the speaker's delivery affect the impact of the message?
Delivery of the message. The delivery contains the emotion, and if you have the emotions, it will have a connection to the audience na maka-motivate mo or ulit ang mula itatuloy lang mo yung emotions ko nga. Kaya kami.
Okay, was there any distracting habits sa speaker na nag-distract mo? No. Wala ra, so this is how exactly you evaluate a spoken text. You just have to identify the strengths and the weaknesses if there's an areas for improvement of the speaker. So next, let's have assessment. You will do 5 groups and you will present a structured critique of the spoken text that I will be presenting to you. So the critique should include a brief summary of the spoken, identification of strengths and weaknesses in the delivery, use of evaluation criteria, for example, the goal, validation, emotion, organization, and a group discussion for recommendations for improvement. Are we clear? Yeah. Please count from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3,
5, 1, 5.
Okay, you can go. 1.
Wisdom. 1. 27 sa baluta.
Just choose one. Okay, please settle down. Are you in your groups now? Okay, please settle down. Are you in your groups now?
Yes.
Okay, please watch this and listen carefully.
Learn that few years on the earth that motivation is really the key to protecting change.
Red talk.
Thank you for the wonderful introduction. Great. I'm here today to talk about motivation. I've learned that a few years on the earth that motivation is really the key to protecting change in anything that you do. You can put a paper that was written without any motivation, without any effort, you put a paper that will describe an aspect. Motivation is the underlying factor. I believe in everything that we do on a daily basis. If you don't have motivation in something that you do, then you really can't achieve what it is that you want to achieve. Everyone has motivation for things that happen, things that interest you, things that inspire you. And of course you'll have motivation if you play a sport, if you're in drama, if you're a band, or motivation comes with that task. But the true test of finding motivation is if you find it in something that doesn't. Personally, I'm interested in sitting through town council meetings and reading the 404-page town council budget. But others might not find so much paper so interesting. However, motivation can be found in everything that you do. I like to look at it in terms of finding motivation as just putting yourself in someone else's shoes. When you're questioning, why do I have to do this? Why do I have to put in the time? Why do I have to put in the effort? You need to look at what you're doing and say, this helps this person become. This person is going to appreciate my effort, my motivation. I've always found that appreciation for others have someone's going to appreciate what I do. So when it's to do with paper or something to do and you say, stupid, I have better things to do, I must have to go outside, go football, or whatever it is. You look at it and say, this person's going to appreciate the work. This person's going to be able to experience these times. Now they're going to see it. And I do that in every assignment that I get in, everything that's ever brought before me. And that's always something that I think you need to go out and look at. I always take it. You might not find it interesting, but think about how much help there's here for somebody else. Think about the responsibility that comes from something else. And that's really helpful appreciation. Motivation. For me, buying dresses is something that I have to do every single day. I don't just do it because I enjoy it. I do it because people see that I put the extra time, share myself, or whatever it is that I'm doing. And they thank you. And that thanks, that appreciation, really important to go out and do every day. I want to say that motivation is so important in anything. Without it, you really can't accomplish it. With it, you have to that thing. If you were to do that now, go out and take with it, make a difference.
Okay, you can start now.
May question na.
You have to critique the video. In the brief summary of this book, and find it in the video in the dictionary. Look at you have to know the critique that how it has been open and your personal with story your text. And one, you have to choose board members to present Okay, please listen to group two.
Good morning, everyone. So, for our group, which is group two, our critique of the speech is that the speech is about self-motivation. Talks about how motivation is the drive to doing anything, even for the everyday tasks. So, for the strength of the speech, the ideas are organized and are delivered well. There are gestures from the speaker, and his voice is clear and modulated. He also has interaction with his audience. And for his weaknesses, the weaknesses of his speech is that the speaker's accent is straight, and he's not moving. He's just steady on his position. And I think that is one of the weaknesses of the speaker because you have to move slowly or you have to move with your gestures also. And he also does not deliver his emotions about the speech and talks straightforward and his voice is straight without voice stress. So for your recommendation, our group recommends that the speaker should express more emotions and the speech should stress the importance of the ideas and also move while talking.
Okay, for the next group. Five.
Okay, good morning everyone. So here's our answer about this question. I read to find that the speech is all about how motivation
Okay. And for the weakness, we can see that the man has in a low voice or hindi na siya pingo, and then hindi siya mag-hear. So voice is not that clear, and then too fast when talk, and pronunciation of some word is not audible. Okay, now, here, arita sa evaluation of the criteria about the tone, public clarity, emotion, organization. So, for the tone, we give 2 because as we can see in the video, the tone is not audible, hindi siya matunggan, kay straight to sa way of stress, ikaw, marigyan na iyong kuwan. Hinay, and then clarity, di gahapon, totoo gahapon. And then the emotion, so yung natin siya usa ka emotion, wala nag-discuss iya. So di na siya indot para sa usa ka usa ka emotion siya. And then the organization overall, katagan na mo siya 2. So the recommendation, so the speaker should make his voice loud and clear. Add some catchy and attractive gestures, praise to gain the attention of the listener. So if ikaw mo speaker, you need to catch the attention of your listener or the audience. Okay, very good. You can have the For the next group, we have a group 1.
So here's the brief summary of our because spoken text is the speaker talks about the important motivation in someone's life, especially when it comes from within. The title is from self-motivation. The speaker also describes the essence of putting ourselves in one's shoes. So, identification of strengths and weaknesses in the delivery is, for the strength is, the content of the message is inspirational. Kaya ba, diba? Ang sa message sa speaker is maka-inspire siya sa usa ka tawo nga manonood. Nindot iyahang content sa iyahang message. While ang weakness niya is kana lack of confidence. So, di ba nakita na to nga isa ka spot dito ra siya nagpindog. Di ba as effective ka ng speaker, di ba kay dapat ma-catch na to ang attention sa usa ka tawo. Dapat ikaw dun mo-move dito bisag asa sa corner, every corner sa imong stage. Kaya ako kayang stage pero ang speaker inara siya sa atuang gilid. Nya ang kuan sa delivery of his message kay nakita na to mahinay kay siya og bingo. Nya ang itutong ato kanada siya og microphone, di ba kay mas makuan makatch ang attention sila sa usa ka tawo if ever na kanang di ba kanang dito sa pagkakatanan nga kanang kuan og pagtutog. So, dito ito nga mas para mas ma-deliver po niya ang tato, is manda siya o microphone para mas puting ang iyang tingog kay mas pusog o ganang. Sa among evaluation criteria is okay, sa clarity of speech is ito ang gihatag kay dili kayo klaro ang pinakamuhang pagkikitan tayo. Nato ang basic with 1 kay ang iyang tulong na kay faith na bitaw ka ng ulang sa ika ng ano ka kay emotion ka mabili mo makita nga. Pero seryoso bitaw ka nung may siya ka ng ulang sa ika ng pwede siya ka ng ano ka makakasya na sa ito. The use of gestures and facial expressions is constant. Kay nasa ka lang, gamay na siya ipakita mga gestures na ang facial expressions kay isa ka magkakuan niya kita niya. Sa emotional delivery is all gihapon kay ito niya ang gusto sa message pero ang pag-deliver ito niya emotionally kay ito kita niya sa organization of message is ito man kaya ang gihatagan ni kay ito ang iyang sa iyang content iyang message niya. As a group conclusion with recommendation for improvement is the speaker should show confidence and apply effective gestures and facial expressions in delivering as well as his voice quality. That's all.
Okay, thank you, group 1. For the next group, we have the group 4.
Good morning, everyone. First, we're related to the theory-based test. Our summary is about our first summary-based test spoken test is motivation is the reason why people write things. So, without it, they may feel too scared or not to take action. So, even kita iba makapili ka na we have no motivation kung kana nga actions. It gives people the courage to face problems and keep going. Kung nata motivation, kanang makapil na kanang na-encourage ito nga kanang dili nakabuot mo ko. Take ka ng action na. Kanani, kailangan ako ni pursue, kailangan ako ni ito nga action kay kanang makatabang isa ko ang kanang family nga na serve as motivation yung family. Makapil ka nga dili nakabuot na ito. Dili makapil ka nga dili nakabuot sa ito. Motivation helps us stay strong even when life gets hard. That's why it's important for us as the identification of strengths and weaknesses. So one of the strengths, the content of the speech is the organization of message and the use of gestures. As we can see, our organization is a message na impactful siya sa audience kung gitawag ko ng lessons. Listen, karon ang paminaw then gamit sa siya ka ng mga gestures. Gamit ko rin gamit ka ng hands. Kung iwan sa kaan sa strengths niya. Sa iyang weaknesses, ay lack siya of emotional and facial expressions. Emotional, kung wala siya ka ng emotions pag deliver niya sa speech, hindi siya ka ng punchy sa kanang gestures. Kung siya emotion pag express niya ang speech, then wala siya ka ng facial expression. Then, the evaluation criteria for targeting speech, we give this to Pedro. Ay small, ay then kanang gambay na. Kung hindi kayo clear yung speech, then tone and pacing, so yung pag-deliver sa speech, mag-break kung ito straight lang, pero hindi siya kanang catchy sa iyong mga audience. Then, they use gestures and facial expressions. We give three, igamit mo siya sa kanang mga gestures while nag-deliver sa iyong speech. And emotional delivery, we give two, wala siya emotions while kanang deliver sa iyong speech, which is need niya i-improve. The organization of message is we give three. Then, we recommend to put more emotions and pacing tone and more on non-verbal gestures para ang audience dili sila boringan maminaw. Then it must engaging that speech is catchy to the audience.
Okay, thank you, Group 4. Now, for the last presenter, have the Group 3.
Group 4 me.
Group 4, please sila ma.
Okay, so good morning everyone. So the video shows the self-motivation strategy of the speaker and the stage. Kaya Ryan. Nagtatag siya ang strategies and approach how niya stay motivated and driven. Yapon siya despite the luha. Pagkakas ng so, yung strength, like, dahil siya ang content, yung paminaw ang tao ang kauga na techniques, and ito po siya ang pag-organize niya ang message. Then, naglawan po siya para nag-display ng eye contact sa audience. However, yung tingog kay Pinay, I don't know if mata po, yung personality na tingog, and napunto na siya sa mga face. Yung mga awkward na labot, yung mga wala yung confidence, yung mga sa maski pa nanganak sa mga awkward na labot. Tapos, yung tone, sa inyong klingon, wala, monotone pa rin sa mga na yung nakakasangka o so, ang mga rating is full for tone, clarity, emotion, and organization because I know, or we all know, that nakasay can improve. So, ang conclusion is that the topic is good. Mga kaugalang ideas, however, the lack of emotional depth, and my group niya yung speech, and niyahangin ka lang, ang niyahangin ko, and mabatag sa more emotions, and just learning.
So, alright, I want you to thank every one of you for your thoughtful insights and so now, as we wrap up today's discussion, I want to leave a message which reflects on our topic. Sometimes we don't just strengthen our body by hearing those words. We need actions for us to see if it is reliable. So before we end, let's go back to our learning objectives if we achieve our goals. So if we evaluate the effectiveness and reliability of the spoken text using appropriate criteria,
Yes.
how about describe personal opinions and emotional reactions about the message and delivery of the spoken text using specific examples? And lastly, present a short group critique on the spoken text through a panel discussion and illustrative techniques. Alright, so as we get ready to leave, I have final instructions. Can you please arrange the chairs and pick up some crashes under your chairs? Okay, let's stand up and prepare for our closing prayer. Can you lead Mr. Miss Valoro?
Lord,